Hi there, this is a Cuisinart 5-quart salad spinner. This is a replacement for my old Zyliss Retractable pull cord model. I cook a lot, and this comes in handy when I need to quickly wash and dry some of the vegetable ingredients that I use in my recipes. Having side locking tabs is a nice feature which keep the lid in place and prevent water spills during the spinning process. The ergonomic, easy-to-turn spin knob is kind of neat. It uses rotating motion, both clockwise and counterclockwise, instead of pulling retractable cord like my old one. I guess it doesn't make a difference. These spinners perform the same function using centrifugal force to remove excess water from the salad leaves. It just depends on the consumer preference, how the product was made or built to last, and of course, which has the best price and warranty. The lid opening for adding and dispensing water before and after the wash is done is very convenient and time-saving. The clear base has a green mesh basket that shakes off the water as it spins. The non-skid base keeps the bowl in place during the process, which is helpful. Let's put this to a test. I added some spinach in the basket to be washed and dried. Just tip the spinner through the opening side on the lid to dump the water. Continue spinning to completely dry the vegetable inside. This product's lifetime warranty is a plus in making a purchase decision, at least for me. It is nicely built, made for convenience, and very sturdy. I highly recommend this. Hope you find my review helpful. Thanks for watching.